So today we're going to take a look at layers in Photoshop. Now layers are a very important part of Photoshop, and today we're taking a look at how you can add layers, how you can merge layers, and how you can alter the hierarchy of layers. So as you can see here, all I've done is just open up a photo that I've taken in Photoshop, and what you can do is, typically when you open a photo, first thing you see is this padlock. That means it's locked. You can double click that and just make it a layer, like so. Or you see down here, you're going to see a plus, or you can go up to layer and new layer, or you can learn the keyboard shortcut like so. So basically that's it. We can choose the layer name. We can also change it later on just by double clicking on the little text area for the label, the layer I mean. So on this layer, what we're going to do is we're just going to draw a shape, just so you can see like the different orientation of layers. We're going to draw a green rectangle on this one. We're going to add another layer in. And you notice sometimes if you don't change the layer name, they actually do change to what the object is being used. So I'm just going to make this an ellipse tool like so, and I'm just going to change that one to purple. So as you can see, now we have different layers, and if we move the hierarchy of the layers, all you do is click and hold on the layer, and you can see now that the circle has gone behind the square. Now Photoshop and a lot of the Adobe programs work on hierarchy like this. The top layer at the top is the one that's on the shown first. If I move the other layer up to the top of our background layer, you can see the other images disappear like so. You can also turn layers on and off by clicking this I button here, so we can just turn those two off. Let's say we like these two images here. Another thing we can do is we can select layers and we can merge them together. So how you do that is you just hold shift on your keyboard, click the layers that you want to merge together. So you see here now we've got all three, and we're just going to merge those together. Click merge layers like so. As you can see now, you cannot move those images around on the square, just move it on the canvas. That's how you merge them. If we just command and Z or undo, you'll see that now we have them back to normal. So that's really the basic fundamentals of layers in Photoshop. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.